Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make fermented vegetables. To begin, understand that fermentation is a natural process where microorganisms transform food. It's a fantastic way to preserve your harvest and introduce beneficial bacteria into your diet. This simple technique requires minimal equipment and just a few common ingredients, making it accessible for everyone. Get ready to create delicious, probiotic-rich foods right in your own kitchen. Gathering the right supplies is your next step. You'll need about 2 pounds of your favorite fresh vegetables like cabbage or carrots. Crucially, use non-iodized salt, as iodine can inhibit the fermentation process. A clean, wide-mouth glass jar, such as a quart-sized one, is perfect. An airlock lid is helpful but not strictly necessary. Finally, ensure you have filtered or non-chlorinated water for your brine. Let's get started with the process. First, thoroughly wash and chop your vegetables into your desired size. Next, prepare a 2% salt brine by dissolving 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt in 4 cups of filtered water. Pack the prepared vegetables tightly into your clean glass jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Pour the brine over the vegetables, ensuring they are completely submerged. Use a fermentation weight if needed. Now for the waiting game. Place your jar at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 to 10 days. You'll notice bubbles, which is a good sign of activity. Once fermentation is complete and the flavor is to your liking, transfer the jar to the refrigerator. This slows down the process significantly. Enjoy your delicious, homemade fermented vegetables as a side dish or a flavorful condiment for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.